Here's how to cancel a Hailuo AI subscription and understand what happens to account access, billing, and remaining credits after cancellation in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to stop future renewals and avoid surprises with your remaining credits. First, log into your Hailuo AI account. This is where you'll access your subscription settings. Once you're on the account dashboard or home screen, open your profile menu and look for account settings, billing, plan, or subscription. You should see your current plan details, renewal date, and billing information on screen. Next, locate the Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription option. You'll see a subscription management page with available account actions. Then, select Cancel Subscription. A confirmation message should appear explaining that future renewals will stop while your paid access usually remains active until the end of the current billing period. After that, confirm the cancellation request. Once confirmed, you'll see a cancellation notice and the date your paid access will expire. Now, check that expiration date carefully so you know exactly how long you can continue using premium features. Next, review your remaining credit balance before the subscription period ends. This is important because Hailuo states that monthly subscription credits do not roll over, while one-time purchase credit packs do not expire. The official cancellation policy does not clearly explain what happens to unused subscription credits after cancellation. However, some users report that subscription credits disappear when the subscription period expires. Then, if you purchased your subscription through Apple App Store or Google Play, cancel it through that same platform instead of the Hailuo website. You'll see the subscription management page inside your Apple or Google account settings. If the Cancel Subscription button is missing, there's another way. Search your email receipts for Hailuo AI, Apple, Google Play, PayPal, Stripe, or other billing confirmations. Identify the billing source, cancel through that platform, and contact Hailuo support if you still can't find a subscription. Save any cancellation confirmation emails for your records. Once everything is set, the subscription will show as cancelled or set to expire, future automatic renewals will stop, and paid access will typically remain available until the current billing period ends. Following these simple steps makes canceling a Hailuo AI subscription and understanding what happens to your credits quick and easy.